Hello everyone, welcome you all. Today we discuss the topic about polygon clipping. Okay, in the previous lectures of the windowing and clipping, we discuss about the line clipping, but today we discuss about the polygon clipping. Okay, so in the previous lecture, there is a we learned the Liang-Balsi line clipping algorithm. In the Liang and Balsi have developed a more efficient algorithm than the Cohen-Sutherland algorithm, and in that we calculate x and y equations. That is, this is the parametric equation: x is equal to x1 plus t into delta x and y is equal to y1 plus t into delta y. Okay, where the delta x and delta y is equal to delta x is equal to x2 minus x1 and delta y is equal to y2 minus x1. Okay, in the point clipping there is a two inequalities, that is xw minimum is less than x is less than xw maximum, and yw minimum is less than equal to y is less than equal to yw maximum. Here we replace the x and y equation to the x1 plus t into delta x and y1 plus t into delta y. Okay, so here in the Liang-Balsi line algorithm, there is a by using these two inequalities we convert it into the four inequalities. Okay, that is the xw minimum is less than equal to x1 plus t into delta x and xw maximum is greater than equal to x1 plus t into delta x, like that. Okay, so here tpi is less than equal to qi. We convert the p into p is less than equal to qi. Okay, pi is less than equal to qi. So here we use the multiplication with minus sign. Okay, so here there is equations, that is p1 to p4 and q1 to p4 we calculate, and after that here is the conditions, that is p1 is equal to 0, then line is parallel to the left clipping boundary, p2 is equal to 0, line is parallel to the right clipping boundary, p3 is equal to 0, line is parallel to the bottom clipping, p4 is equal to 0, parallel to the top clipping boundary. Okay, if the pi is equal to 0, the line is parallel to one of the clipping boundary. Here is the one condition, that is qi is less than 0, the line is completely outside boundary. qi is greater than equal to 0, the line is inside the clipping boundary. Then after that pi is less than 0, line proceeds from outside to inside, and pi is greater than equal to 0, line is proceed from inside to outside. Okay, here pi is less than 0, then here pi is less than 0, then the t1 is calculated. If the pi is greater than 0, t2 is calculated. Okay, so the algorithm is, first of all we read the two endpoints, that is x1 y1 and the x2 y2, and after that read two corners, that is left top and the right bottom window. Say the xw minimum, yw maximum, xw maximum and the yw minimum. Okay, then after that we calculate the p1, p4 and q1, q4 values. Okay, then we check the condition, that is if the pi is equal to 0, then the line is parallel to the ith boundary. Now the qi is less than 0, then the line is completely outside the boundary. Okay, then after that we calculate the t1 and t2 values. T values is in between 0 to 1. Okay, here t is varies from 0 to 1, that is t1 is equal to 0 and t2 is equal to 1. Okay, so here we initialize the values t1 and t2, that is t1 is equal to 0 and t2 is equal to 1. Calculate the values for the qi, pi for the I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then after that check the conditions, that is pi is less than 0, assign the maximum out of then t1, and pi is greater than, then assign the minimum out of then t2. Here is the equation. Here pi is less than is equal to 0, then we calculate the t1, that is 0 comma qi upon pi. Then if the pi is greater than 0, then calculate the t2 is equal to minimum of 1 comma qi to pi is taken. Okay, if the t1 is less than t2, then we calculate the x1, x2, y1, y2 values. Okay, if the t1 is greater than t2, then if the t1 is greater than t2, then this condition is false, that is the line is completely outside the boundary, so we not required to clip that line. Okay, here the only condition is t1 is less than t2, then we calculate the x1, x2, y1, y2 values. Okay, so this is the example we discussed in the previous lecture. The today's lecture is polygon clipping. A polygon is nothing but collection of lines. Okay, then polygon, the example of polygon is triangle, then rectangle, then there is a hexagon, pentagon. These are the example of the polygon. So the polygon is nothing but the collection of lines. Polygon is a closed loop, closed cycle structure. Okay, the line clipping algorithm can be used directly for the polygon clipping. Here the line clipping algorithm, we check the condition, that is line is outside the boundary, then not clipping is required. If the line is inside the clipping boundary, then there is no require of the clipping that line. If the one point is inside and one point is outside the boundary, then we require to clip that line. Okay, there is a conditions according to the algorithms, there is a conditions to clip that line. Okay, in the polygon clipping, when a closed polygon is clipped as a collection of the lines with the line clipping algorithm, the original closed polygon becomes one or more open polygon or distinct lines. Okay, here you see that here is the polygon before clipping. Okay, this one is our flipped window and this one our polygon. Okay, after clipping, the images here, this image is seen. Okay, this image is inside the boundary, that's why we clip the polygon, that is the polygon, the part of the polygon which is outside the boundary, we remove that lines, or we remove that points of the polygon. Okay, then they only require is inside the clipping boundary, clip the boundary. Okay, this portion is required. Okay, this portion, then this portion is displayed to our screen. Okay, so this is the after clipping and this is the before clipping. Okay, so here when a closed polygon is clipped as a collection of lines with line clipping algorithm, the original closed polygon becomes one or more open polygon or distinct line. After the clipping the polygon, here is the polygon is open. Okay, that is there is a distinct lines. Okay, this polygon is open, this part is open, there is not here we not called it is a polygon. Okay, to complete that polygon we require to add the line in this portion. Okay, this one is also this portion is added the line to that portion in the polygon. Okay, when we want clipping of the solid polygon area, then after clipping the resulting polygon should be closed. Okay, it requires that line AB and CD be added to make it closed polygon. Okay, to make it closed polygon we require this, suppose this line is AB and this is CD and this is FE. Okay, so these lines are added to make it is closed polygon. Okay, closed figure. So hence it is difficult to find out which pieces of section should be joined to make the clipped polygon closed. So in the polygon clipping, polygon as a closed solid area, hence after clipping it should remain the closed. To achieve this we require an algorithm that will generate the additional line segment which make the polygon as a closed area. Okay, this is also a figure, that is in this figure here the line AB, CD, DE, GF and HI. okay, are added to polygon description to make it closed. Okay, after the clipping this polygon, the resultant polygon, some portion is open, and we require some lines to add it to it in this polygon. So this is the portion, okay, AB line, then CD line, DE line, GF line, HI line. This is the line is added to polygon description to make it closed. Okay, adding the line CD and DE is particularly difficult. Considerable the difficulty also occur when the clipping polygon result is several disjoint smaller polygons. Okay, so in the polygon clipping there is also a algorithm, that is Hodgeman polygon clipping algorithm. Okay, so this polygon is discussed in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Once again, polygon is a closed area. In a polygon, we clip that polygon. After the clipping, some portion is open. So this portion, so make sure that this portion is not open. That is, to close that portion, we require some lines that is added to this that polygon. Okay. So this is nothing but the polygon clipping. There is an algorithm we discussed in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Thank you.